Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how to make a attendance sheet. As you can see that I am making the attendance sheet for the month of September. First I am putting serial number. Here I am gonna put the employee name. Here I am taking ABCD as an employee name. Just randomly I am taking it. And it's done. Now I'm making it in a center alignment. Now I'm putting the date as a number like 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm taking the data up to date 10. And in this column I'm going to write down the total present days of the employee. Here you can put your employee data, that how many days your employee present or absent. H is for holiday. And in this way you can fill your all data. Now let's put formula for calculating the total present days of your employee. You just need to put the formula of count F, and rest thing you can see on the screen. Now drag it down so that all the cells get the formula. So this is the normal presentation of the attendance sheet, but you can add more things just like total absent days, total holidays. Now let's do formatting, which I feel that one of the most important part. For this you just need to go to the condition formatting, and in condition formatting click highlight cells rule. Then you can put the rule as per your choice. Like here I'm putting all the piece in a green color. In this you can go to the custom format and select the color of your choice. Now you can see it's done. And you can repeat the same process for the absent and for the holidays. Now I'm doing little bit more formatting so that my data can be a more presentable. And it's done. Hope you like the video.